So guys, my family, I am here at Dunn's River Fall. First guys, this is Mama Joan back on her channel. I did my brother funeral yesterday and the family head to Dunn's River Fall for a little family get together. I'm gonna try to do a little bit of shooting here, but no Mama Joan and her thing. So guys, this is Papa Harry behind me with him tired self. What can you see him? See him there? And this is my nephew, Dwayne, alias AKK Power.
Oh man.
Yes.
She give me the name.
So that's what I am doing today, doing a little bit of contents with my family.
Family vibes, you know?
Yes. Down into the river.
No, when I'm bad.
This is my family.
Just give me an idea where I go, brother.
So like how we don't have no idea when we do.
No, no foreigner.
So yeah, tell me.
So where are you arguing? I mean, I be telling my aunt.
Them pay $1,000 because them have ID fee, but tourists pay cheap. What's it?
So it's about 3,500.
2,500. Okay. All right.
I tell you what, Dinky.
And Una and an ID are the same thing like a girl.
Una ID.
The same way. A foreigner. Them Una have ID. Yeah, you're a foreigner. Yeah.
This is the great Zinky. We bring him joy in the morning. I want to bring in at the evening.
Oh, what a beautiful day!
That's my grandnephew in front of me there. Otherwise named Dingo, and that's his dad, my nephew, Kevin. Me have to pay for me and him, but I have to pay regular. And Zinky. Zinky have him.
No, no, you couldn't pay for that. That could have been cheap.
We said we couldn't find this man because he's upping, but look at him coming down.
Thank you. I like your name. I like your experience. I'm explaining. I like your experience.
This one is my grandnephew. Yeah. It has nothing but sweet. I don't sit on that. He's in some, it's on this. I will catch him later.
Yeah, 2005, don't feel alone to be alive to see this. Mr. Carter, may rest in peace as the elder Carter.
Everybody.
Yeah.
Here is my family. Watch them going climb up the falls. I am going to be climbing up the falls by themselves. My knee is not good. It's going to have to fall onto me and don't lose me. I can't think of it. So it's okay. We're going to go. You can't go and go down. Another one. The police? I'm not going to go another one. No, I'm not drilling. Police cannot carry me. And a family member. time back, and another woman going up the hill. Watch Papa Iri. Papa Iri look like him in freezing over there. I am just here for sure. I ain't going into no water. I am just showing my body how it's sexy. In a bath suit.
Yeah.
The Papa Iri there, I'm cold. I am just being sexy in my body. I'm not going in no water. Okay. I am just for sure. You go very there. I'm gonna know freaking slow. So, my sister and my niece out here, but them can stay out here, and I can stay here and give them a watch out. So that's all I know. This is my niece, Tamara. This is me trying to go up the fall. Too far because I probably fall my ass down. Okay? Huh? Just right here, sir. Just right here. When I got the one side. No. When I go right there, one solid spot right here. So guys, there, Papa Iri said, if we drop in them now, come save me. That motherfucker, okay. Watch Mama Jones, she's so afraid of the water, all she been sitting up on the stone.
Yes,
So, okay, so let me go over there and press the record. So guys, it's night time now. We leave
Dunn's River.
Dunn's River. Yeah, we leave Dunn's River Fall, and now we just have come to the final ending of heading out this thing here. So
This is farm. One whole buckle of water.
this is Papa Iri, Papa Daniel,
Yes.
my big niece, Liquor Miss,
Okay.
and we over.
Be a farm.
Okay, so this is it, guys. So guys, I am catching to the final part of this shingdings here with my family. Come to put my brother to rest. It's my sister Donnie. Come to put my brother to rest. Come to put my brother to rest. And then we come and with my sister and our kids, them come have a dinner. We dinner here now. Our daughter and our grandkids is going home tomorrow, but she will be here with us until Friday. You know, so I'm just going around with the family. So I'm gonna show you guys my niece
And my nephew.
and
my grandnephew.
and my grandnephew.
And me is a small sister, but me is a big sister.
Listen, guys.
Hello, Sister Peaches. You know we love you. We sorry you could not be here, but what you make living do for you
Yes.
is like you was
Was
here.
beautiful.
And that surprised me,
Yes.
sis. It was beautiful, Peach. And I love you.
We love you, all of us. Listen, when Gwen have us, she have we 8 of us, and she make we be a chain.
Yeah, she
She tied us together where she give each and every one of us a chore. So you responsible for me responsible for Dennis, the one that we put away today, Sunday. Dennis responsible for Don responsible for Chris responsible for Suzette, and Suzette responsible for Marlon. So it worked out that we had to put Suzette down when I said she passed away, and then this is my brother, him is another one that gone. So out of our family, we have 2 that leave us now. You know, but my family, you know, some people say they want privacy and they want whatever. We good, we alright. You understand? So we don't worry about that. You know, so we will share.
Life can be private, but not too private.
Yes. I want to know Mama Joan and her freaking self already.
And trust me, for some reason, You see this sister here? Oh my gosh. She's the best. All of my sister name is the best.
Yeah.
But not because she becomes Mama Joan.
No.
Because we love her before she comes Mama Joan.
Okay.
Because this is my girl here.
Yes.
As I said. And Brother Harry over there, so. But Harry is my brother. Me and Brother Harry that me call my big brother. And I talk to all of my sister them. My sister them subscribe. We subscribe to her and listen to her channel. Mama Joan, she said, she don't say fucker, she said furkers.
Furkers.
I mean like that, she don't curse. She
Yes,
said, mother furkers.
yes.
I mean like that. So she was talking to them. I said, no sis, you're not supposed to say that because you're not on camera. I said, mother furkers.
Yes.
Like when you're on camera. So, trust me, my sister find me funny more than she, but me mash up you. I'm not wouldn't miss her up. You think she funny? She not funny yet.
Listen, this is my whole entire family is funny. Okay, everybody in my family is funny.
Everybody's here.
So we're gonna go inside and see what the crowd, what left.
Yeah.
Couple of us dispersed, but we still have more. You know the people them say when them name and them belly full, them want to go sleep.
And them get that
Me go show you a couple of them. See him? And we now go follow. We have nephritis. Put it together. So this is my grandnephew. This is his grandmother. This is sister's Alzheimer's. This is sister Chris. Guys, this is my sister Chris. Where she there? But you don't know how it go. Sometimes the Alzheimer's kick in and the Alzheimer's we not catch you. Yes, yeah, the Alzheimer's kick in a while ago. I don't remember her name. But then it come back. So guys, this is all of these here is my great niece. My great niece.
No, she is. I mean,
Yes. So she's my niece. Yes.
I'm the great niece.
Yes, niece. Great niece. Niece over there. Okay? Alright. So, oh my gosh, I gotta come back over here. So all of these little chickens here. This is Pat Dunn. This is Lexi.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's
And that's my grandma right there.
great niece, great nephew. This is my other niece, Tamara. And this is a friend of the family. I don't even name Fiston. So guys, this is my family. This is my family. So I come to the end of this video, day 4 in Jamaica. But I will continue do some more filming as I go along. So I will see you guys next time. So anyway,
My brother
guys,
then is funny.
this is my started prince. This is my nephew. My older sister's son, which is Miss King Prince. Because nobody else know him as nothing else except. Me not call him that. Me I call him King Prince. Me not call him no goat man. Me I call him King Prince. That is why name for me. And over here, so is my another niece. This is my sister Dunn, as her daughter.
Yes.
And where Ricky named Dunn? AKA, whatever them saying, Ricky, otherwise known as Kid Corrupt. And him say him get that name Kid Corrupt from my brother. Why him give him that name, I don't know, but to the people who are Jamaican.
At least I got my rank, yeah.
No, sir. Why my brother why him name Kid Corrupt? No, baby, listen. Why him name Kid Corrupt is because him carry me niece go buy a lemon, you know, a soft lemon. And the lemon, when we say the way it's soft, no juice to left in it. Which the lemon is a car. So my brother give him name what?
Kid Corrupt.
Kid Corrupt. I don't know what it means, but that's what them call the Great Ricky. I know him as the Great Ricky, my driver. But niggas, we understand, so we have to call him Kid Corrupt. So we have to leave it at that. You understand? So guys, this is the end of our video. I will end it on Kid Corrupt. And I will see you guys in the next one. So Kid Corrupt over there. That's it.
I said, that brother already had dove cat.
I forgot find out from my brother already a dove cat why I'm giving the name Kid Corrupt. Okay?
He said, then it's because in car, Ricky go buy, Alisa go buy wrong car. That's why I'm named Kid Corrupt, my sister.
So anyway, guys, I will see you in the next one. Okay? Yes, guys. Me and my sister Dunn heading for the. We're in St. Thomas. Heading for Bath.
River.
So now we stop here, so and we're gonna get some Irish mash to bring back home with we. So let's see what them have here. This is my niece, Little Miss. No, me have to call her Big Miss, but that is no Little Miss. You understand? No disrespect, but this is my niece. So we're stopping at
Roselle Fall.
Roselle Fall, that's where we stop, and we have buy some Irish mash, some Buster Mantle candy, and some
roots to top yourself.
and if you need roots, you can stop right at the little corner here, and some Irish mash. You understand, the dry one. And I'm gonna show you guys the ocean. Look how the sea. Look how the sea. Look how the sea rough, guys. And when I reach down a country where we are going, look at the sea going rough.
When I see the man from Panama, I look like, yes, no. So to me, know my finger, them clean.
Come back, though.
So we can go on. How much piece you want, sir? How much piece you get already?
This is the nicest piece out of the whole of the piece. I don't worry about all that time. I love this piece.
Guys, see Papa Harry over there, so quarreling, say more piece.
More piece because I laugh.
What's going on in that place?
Me I tell you, say over there. For you miss a whole of little pieces, but it don't come up to you. You won't feel the way, girl. We love you. This is the cane mill. Back in the days when them used to grind the cane. So this is the thing we used to grind the thing pan. Asian days. Back in the time. Look how the bamboo them stay. In the so at this way where we are going now. the hill where we climb up to get to the fountain. You understand? Nothing like Dunn's River Fall. Dunn's River Fall, well set up, line up. This is in the hills. You know, well them say, welcomes to the hills and the valley. Well, this is the hill. Natural. No concrete, no construction. Everything is just greenery. It's just what the name of them call it?
Mineral bath.
No, me not look for mineral bath. It's all nature, yes. You see this? Look on it. It's all nature. Nothing, no build up in your son. Nothing, no touch in ya. Just nature. But good. But good. We just live here.
Yeah, a bit personal.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Papa Ari, I get him
Field shop.
where I get?
A field shop.
Then the small coffee there, the sleep shots, but
If I get him facial, with him, if I get him mud facial there, mud facial.
No face.
All over the
Even
face
though it's a facial,
and all
no
over the
face.
body. So here him is getting him mud facial.
But the problem is already.
Yes.
You know what I'm
Right. That's why I get him mud facial there.
So, wow.
And then me go up top there. I see my sister Gani. Yeah. It gets it already in the car.
what the stuff in the mama?
Sister Donnie, she have cramp in her leg,
He said, people,
so she have to run out and ramp up.
one thing I have to say, I think Merca water hot. When you come about and check back hot water, Merca water has not compared to bad hot water. Them tell him I set up it. Too hot.
Too hot?
Too hot. Hot bad. Merca water not so bad. Look up bad.
Papa zinc they say need little something, little more water. So this is the river, guys. This it's hot, and it's cold. It's like one side hot and one side cold feel. So this is what it is like. If you go further up top there should be a fall further up top. But me now go no further up top. Me just take a little video link. I am just taking the thing from up here. I am not going all the way up. So this water is hot and cold water. One side hot and one side cold. Oh, you imagine that. So this is all me I do from here. So
Come up here, come get rub down a massage.
massage, yes.
Some say me don't want none. This why me don't want a massage. Me say forget honey. So when me want honey, I go and probably sleep with the man. Some me don't want no massage.
Cold bath,
I'm
like
not
my steam
talking
cold
about your
bath.
rub and rub.
Steam cold
And
bath.
that's
So
what
I'm going to just one
No,
little.
I go on the moment, look, that's
Then I miss that.
yeah, I just
forget honey.
a different kind of
No matter
massage.
who rub me.
A different
No
kind
matter
of
how.
massage.
When the honey is spread out.
Johnny? Yo, go on.
Sister.
Spread out.
Yeah.
Worse, some say, but when me come and me see, me say, but see that woman here to fear thing, I don't know nothing like that. Oh man, gone down on the coach, man, gone on the breast. Man, gone back up.
We can't touch no with this, sir.
Them talk about the massage up here wrongly, and not them kind of spar. Yeah.
People that want to talk about it wrong, they never come here yet.
Yes,
Come make me warm, man, now.
as me tell you now, them
So that massage, when I don't sleep, they want to sleep.
Yes.
And then I rub down, so I go and support, look.
I stop them and stop your foot. Yes. Some sub foot, you know, some samba.
Spiritual place in the moment, spiritual place, not like the people say. All who say so, I come, they never come here before.
Yeah.
Me hear people talk about bad fortney already, you know. I'm standing there, listen, I know my American fortney, you know. And when the man talk, I stand up and listen, you know. Like, it's where the man talk, say, I certain never come here before. Me just stand up and
All
listen.
these I said to me, say, mommy, it's not like that because my body before.
Yes.
How you hear me just say? Everybody laugh, mommy, I don't forget honey. I get me wind down.
I get that wine down. I have to win.
I get me feel up. All the time about feel up. I get me feel up down a bar.
No, that number.
No go on down there, but that them say. But that no go on here. Pay nice decent thing go on here.
So what sugar have now? Sugar have our Cersei and our aloe vera. Rub our body and our hot water. Rinse in our half. Yeah. Keep it smooth. Papa there, so I take him sap and then beat and then Isla rub. Papa Ari up on him second stage of greenery. I get rubbed with Cersei and tuna, which is aloe vera, or tuna different from aloe vera.
Different.
So I get rubbed with tuna and Cersei, you know, the whole body. So him really, I see the what, yeah. Him really enjoy the spa.
The thing come from this I use for you. I prepare the pride of you here. Once I use it for you, no, I'll know.
Yes.
I gave him a good treat, no?
Okay.
Uncle General, so I have to take care of him like a mommy uncle too.
Okay. What me do?
No, there.
No.
Hope it a record.
It's a record. So when you need to say yes, Mama Joan, I get her rubbed down, beard down, scrubbed down.
Okay. People. Mama Joan, I get her rubbed down, beard down, at the pot. Here are the water hot. She not see a thing. Who's for the hot water? Mama Joan not see a frog. She not see.
This motherfucking shit is hot. It's hot.
Mama Joan,
I'm
people.
gonna put the freaking skin off.
She's at the bath. She's at the bath getting her rubbed down. And Mama Joan.
And this is the Cersei and
This is Cersei aloe vera.
Cersei.
Rub down and make her skin nice and smooth. Okay, no, Mama Joan skin kind of crusty.
You see my sister, it's all good enough. She can go out to whatever she wants. You mean?
The man have to give her a good rub down. Because I know say Mama Joan
And this is the aloe vera.
aloe vera have to do down the alligator skin. Because Mama Joan have alligator skin with her grow up. Her skin body is like a fish skin.
Guys, this one my sister turned bad. So she let out the secret.
So now,
When we have alligator skin,
and fish skin from she young. Girl growing up. She was the bigger one than the younger one, but Mama, I see, watch there. Mama Joan can't lie down free for people. Yo! You can't believe some Mama Joan belly so pretty.
Yeah, too much.
She's like, no, when she young, her belly scaly like fish. Look at it now. Jesus Christ. I can't believe this shit. Look at my sister belly get pretty. Jesus, not even a stretch mark. And Mama Joan shit.
But I go and make my plants laugh.
God. My sister said we don't even have a stretch mark. What am I doing with stretch mark? I don't need that shit.
So why me have so much?
I don't know. You have some, remember you have 6 children.
Why do I have so much stretch mark?
But I have 6
But guess what, you know? This one time I used to see my sister belly. I think I was stretch mark, you know. And everyone would say I was a scab.
Alright?
But you know I never scab. But the girl belly pretty.
Remember I had that, as I said, every shit in the family, I get it.
Me too.
Uy.
Mama Joan, I get her rinse off now.
This style look, man.
Rinse off, darling. Rinse off. I can't carry that down there, sir. People, this are the hot stone Mama Jonah get. Put down her foot. It's the hot stone. The stone wall heart. We take down big belly. Cut down the fat out of your belly. So anybody over there who are fat, just come to Bart in St. Thomas.
And come check Shearer.
Check Shearer. Shearer will deal with it for you. He's the best. No, didn't want to rub down here, I say. He's that's because my body stiff, no, my body light. Wow. Yeah.
Hello.
Is that hot water power?
Yeah.
Paella, you should hear with the kids. Oh my God. My girl, I love you so much.
The great Papa Area come take him final wash. My sister Dania come take her final wash. You come take my final wash. You know, no for me.
I like him in that pain and the pain I go away.
Let me not pain, man.
I like him in that pain and the pain I go away. Don't mind my brother, you're bad.
Oh, me not pain, bro.
I'm coming in a pain, the beating and the massaging where him get, and I'm still in a pain.
You know.
The massage never get the man train me up.
So guys, we finish with the hot water spring, where them call the bath, where all the sick people go heal them, eat them bone. So you see Joan bone old and cold. She just come go get some hot water out of the hot stone to help her with the pain in the knee and the arthritis. You understand me, guys? So we come to the end of the part of the video then, guys. And then, you know, me continue, I go continue do a little blogging. So me and Uno can talk a little bit more as we go along. Okay, guys? Guys, you look on the road. Never really wrong this. Never really shown. The kind of driving where I fear do. We think the worst probably gone. But you never know what's up top there on the road, you know. But you never know follow him. No, you don't have to. You don't have to.
This pussy one of
It's
the
not
African
clear.
powder, so.
Yeah. Guys, I hope we get a good shot. This is Jamaica Cement Factory.
The Rockford, the Harbourview.
Rockford, Harbourview. Okay. So this is the cement factory. This is where we make cement. Welcome back, guys, to Mama Jo house. Today is my last day in Jamaica. I am heading home today. So I am just doing a little video showing you guys the outside of where I stay. Somewhere uptown, I don't remember what them call the place name, but this is where I stay. But I'm just doing a quick little video on the outside of the property, not the inside. So here we go, guys. We have a gate here where we have to come in through with the electric opener. And this is Papa Harry last day in a sweet, sweet Jamaica. So, Papa Harry ready? Sort out himself. Papa Harry ready to go home?
Can't wait for it for 1 week, because 1 week too long. I'm on the good man, me enjoy myself, you know. I don't want another day, I'm satisfied with when I get. I make use of it, I have pure joy.
Okay, so guys, you see, Papa Harry enjoy himself. So, I'm going to turn the camera. We kind of at a distance away still, but we just see a nice view. So, I'm going to turn the camera up in the hills. So, up there, so, up in the stony hills, Warwick Hill, but a more stony hill. So up in the hill, you see the house there, all the people them build them house way up in the hill. Probably the far away, only can't see it still. But, you know, them they up on the hill and we they down on the flat. And we did take a little preview of when me I stay up on the outside. So over here, so we have some nice little flowers at the front. You know, I don't know what them call this, but this is, you know, this is nice, very nice. So apparently, guys, up here, so it's Great House Circle up on top of the hill. But what I was saying was, what did I say? Was whatever hill me call it, but a great old, what you call it?
Great old circle.
Great old circle. So I was saying it was Warwick Hill.
Oh, Warwick Hill.
Yes.
My girl. Try to go sit down with Warwick.
So wrong hill.
Can't tell me true.
Well, I went through security and I am going through the aisle before I go to my gate. So them have some vendors here selling a little bit of Bob Marley stuff. And you know, all different kind of things going on here. I didn't get to shoot the front, but so I am on my way home back to Toronto. I am just waiting now to go back to my gate. I pick up some food at Island Grill. Island Grill is sell good food, you know. So I'm just walking and talking a little bit. And I guess this is one of my fans. I'm Mama Reef and Christine.
Yes! Help yourself.
Yes.
So beautiful. Have a safe flight.
Thank
I
you.
just wanted to say hi.
Okay, sweetheart. So there we go. I get quite a few recognition from quite a few people, you know. So, so far, it's been a good trip, a good journey, you know. So now, I'm gonna head home back now. It's been a while. It's been 8 years since I come to my country of birth. And I love this country very, very much. I have a wonderful visit when I was here. So now I'm on my way back home, you know, to deal with my friggin' cat. He's being a bad boy, and I'm gonna have to, you know, really sit down and have a talk with him, you know. But you know what? Milo misses me. He's so used to me, and I guess he's a little bit traumatized that I'm not there. So Reeve said he's peeing and pooing all over the place, and I think it's because he missed me. So look, I'm gonna show you guys the
how much people lined up for buy food. These all of them people, I just feel them. Papa Harry over here, so I feed him fat face. When him come to this country, all him do, him and this woman here, all she do a yam, and him the same thing. All them do, some them come here is eat.